Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving straight into a profound physiological mystery, rheumatoid arthritis. Seriously, if you're into human physiology or a biochemistry major looking for some wild biology facts, this one absolutely commands your attention. We're looking at a devastating scenario where the body's elite defense force, the immune system, just completely gets its wires crossed and goes rogue. We're going to break down exactly how this betrayal happens, literally step by microscopic step. The roadmap. So here is our roadmap for today. 1. When immunity goes rogue. 2. Inside a healthy joint. 3. The anatomy of an attack. 4. The systemic fallout. And 5. Detection and defense. Part 1. When immunity goes rogue. To really grasp the massive scale of this condition, we've got to clarify what it actually is. Let's clear up a huge misconception right off the bat. When a lot of people hear the word arthritis, they immediately think of osteoarthritis. You know, the mechanical wear and tear of the joints that just kind of happens to us as we get older. But rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, is fundamentally different. It's actually a chronic, systemic autoimmune strike. It's an inflammatory disease driven by an abnormal immune response that specifically targets the synovial membrane. So this isn't just about aging joints. It's a highly coordinated biological misfire. And the global scale of this? It's massive. Roughly 0.5 to 1% of the entire world's population faces this internal rebellion. We are talking about millions upon millions of people. And interestingly, it has a really marked predominance in women, affecting them 2 to 3 times more often than men, which is likely tied to some pretty complex hormonal influences. Moving on to part 2, inside a healthy joint. Before we get into the pathology of how things go wrong, let's establish our baseline of peace, so to speak. Okay, so in a normal, healthy synovial joint, you've got bones meeting at a joint capsule, you've got protective cartilage covering the bone surfaces, and ligaments and tendons keeping everything nice and stable. But what I really want you to focus on is the synovial membrane lining that capsule. See, its only job is to be a quiet, helpful tissue that produces just a tiny bit of synovial fluid to give you frictionless lubrication. It's perfectly designed to be this peaceful little supportive structure. Which brings us to part 3, anatomy of an attack. Let's see how this